Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all you need is baby shampoo and water mixed together in a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. And make sure to clean around this area as well, since we will be applying the tint on this section of the headlight. So once we finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. Just apply Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film and to the lens. And to help tack down the film faster, just apply Tack Solution onto the lens. And with this one, you want to start by aligning it on this section of the headlight first. So align the tint to this edge here. Make sure you cover up to this edge here. So it should be right up here. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution underneath the film and on top. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and start tagging it down to secure it on this edge. And make sure as you're tagging it down, make sure to remove any water bubbles that are underneath the film. Okay, make sure this whole section is secured. That way once we stretch the film just a little bit and align it to the other end, this doesn't slip off. So make sure this is anchored to the headlight. Okay, and now we can continue on to the other end. Okay, so once we have this section secured, just lift the film carefully here. Apply just a little bit of Slip Solution, that way we're able to stretch the film to reach to this end. It's just a light stretch. We just need this edge of the tint to reach up to this edge of the headlight. So place your hand, stretch the film, and as you're stretching, make sure everything stays aligned. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, grab your squeegee, and from this end just start tagging it down. Bring all of the solution that's underneath the film to this end. That way you don't have any bubbles left over, because if you squeegee that way, this is already sealed and you'll just trap the bubbles on this end. So bring everything over here where it's not sealed yet. You can apply a little bit more Tack Solution on this edge, that way the adhesive is able to tack down to the edge. And just to help it tack down on this section here, you will notice you will have just a small little finger. To help remove this finger, just apply a little bit of heat with Tack Solution, and then with your squeegee, tack down this section and this top section here. So apply Tack Solution wherever you see those fingers. Grab your heat gun, have your microfiber towel next to you, and just apply heat around this area and anywhere else where you see those fingers. Make sure to apply the heat evenly, that way we don't accidentally burn the film, and make sure not to stay focused for too long in one area, because you may also burn the film. So just a little bit of heat. Spray Tack Solution one more time. And one thing you can do to help the fingers tack down is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and tack it down like this. Make sure you're going upward on this area here, and for this here, make sure you're going down. That way we help tack down the film. Okay, and you just repeat this process until you remove all the fingers. This section is done. Just make sure you go all around the film. Wherever you see those fingers, apply just a little bit of heat, and then seal it off with your squeegee. Okay, and once you finish here, you can move on to the middle section. Okay, so for the middle section, all you need to do is do the same steps. Apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you can also start applying Tack Solution onto the lens. That way once we place the film, we're able to align it and tack it down as quick as possible. So make sure everything stays aligned. With this one, make sure you align it on one end first. So make sure it's up to the edge here. Once you have it aligned on one edge, apply tack solution, grab your squeegee, and start tacking it down to secure the film. Make sure the squeegee going this way, and carefully do it, that way you don't accidentally catch the film you installed on this end. Remove all of the solution underneath the film. And with this one, just go section by section, make sure everything stays aligned, and start tightening it down. And then you just continue on until you reach to the other end. And once you finish tightening it down, and before we move on to the next step, make sure you remove all the solution underneath, because the last step is to pulse seat the entire film. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to pulse seat the entire film. So to pulse heat, all you need to do is apply tack solution to the lens. And you're going to use your heat gun. You could use the low or the high setting for this part, and make sure to apply the heat evenly throughout the entire lens. Make sure not to focus on one area for too long, because you may accidentally burn the film. So take your time applying heat all around the headlight, and as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel. That way you help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that are around the edges. So take your time doing this step, applying heat, tacking it down, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.